Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials. Check Watch OS and keep battery above 50% so the process won't halt. Once done, open settings on your watch or iPhone and navigate to General, then Date and Time. Make sure your iPhone is paired with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active because the watch often mirrors iPhone time. If you see an automatic toggle, leave it on initially. It prevents manual conflicts. Now you're ready to move into the actual time sync and correction step. Next, you'll adjust and force a fresh sync. If automatic time is causing the offset, toggle set automatically off so you can set the time manually. This isolates the watch from iPhone errors. Use the digital crown to tweak hours and minutes precisely and double-check time zone settings. After making changes, restart the watch to let internal services reinitialize and write the new time to system daemons. If you prefer automatic, re-enable it after restart, so the watch resumes correct network time protocol syncing. To finish, verify the displayed time and test complications or alarms to confirm accuracy. If the time still lags, perform a force restart by holding the side button and digital crown for about 10 seconds. This clears transient service hangs. If problems persist, unpair and then repair the watch from the watch app to rebuild the sync relationship. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure your iPhone's network time and carrier settings are correct, because a wrong iPhone time will propagate to the watch when automatic mode is enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.